Hi guys, happy Sunday. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own print then cut stickers using this full sheet sticker paper that I got from Auntie Tay. And if you use my code, the craft scraps, all lowercase, on her website, you can get 10% off your order. And this stuff is amazing, and you get 10 full sheets. This stuff is awesome, and it also comes in her December mystery box that has a bunch of other cool things. So if you want to use this paper, I highly recommend it. So all you're gonna need is this sticker paper, and you'll also need a printer. The printer I have is an HP DeskJet 3755. So this is what I'm using. I think I got it on Amazon for like 50 bucks. So it's not very expensive and it's awesome. So, and then all you need is your Cricut and your design space, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Alright, so to start making our stickers, so since we're doing print and cut, we can do images that we normally wouldn't want to layer. So I'm doing stickers for my nieces and nephews Valentine's Day gifts. So I'm gonna search for Valentines and see what pops up. Okay, definitely have to use these for the girls. Okay, those are super cute. Oh, that's cute. Let's see. We'll do some cupids. Oh, that's $5. Nope. That's cute. Alright, so we'll start with these here. Okay, might have went a little overboard here. Alright. Alright, so we have all of our images here that I just selected from Design Space. So I think I'm going to make these like 2 by 2. That's like a good sticker size. And I want these to be like little like circle stickers, so they can just like put them on things. So I'm going to make a circle here. So I actually want the circle to be like 2 by 2, and then I want this to go in the middle of it. So I'm going to bring this to the front. Alright, I'm going to make the circle white just so you can get an idea of what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to flatten this image here, and so by flattening it, you could see it is now making it a flat image that is going to be printed. So it basically attaches all the layers, and now it's going to be a printed image. Now I want this to be cut out on this little circle guy here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both the well, I want this to be centered. So I'm going to select both the image and the circle, and you can see I'm going to go over here to attach, and then I'm going to flatten the whole thing. So now this is one solid image, and now this is going to just so it's when it's going to print out, it's going to print this little heart and the unicorn, and then it'll just cut out one big circle, so I don't have to worry about it accidentally cutting out the hearts or cutting out the ears or anything like that. So now I'm just going to do that same thing for all of these. So maybe I can do some like different shapes for some of them. So I want this circle to be the same size. It's a little smaller than 2 by 2, so alright, so I'll make that white again. And maybe I'll just duplicate a couple more just in case I need those later. Alright, so now we'll take our other unicorn here, bring it to the front. And we'll flatten this again. It's so dang cute. Love it. Select both the circle and the unicorn. Hit attach and then flatten. So now we got our stickers here. So we got this little bear here too. So basically, you guys, I'm just going to do the same thing for all of these stickers here. So I'm going to flatten the bear image. I'm going to select both the image and the circle, hit attach, and then flatten again. So now we got a little bear circle. Alright, and so some of these images here these are solid, so I don't need to attach them to a shape, but I'm changing this weird green to like I'll just do like a fuchsia. That'll be pretty. Alright, so we got Cupid there. We got another Cupid here. So 10 stickers, I think that's pretty good. So I think those are all of the images I made. Alright, so now we're going to want to make sure we save this. Alright, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to duplicate my project copies. So now it knows I need 3 of these. So I can hit continue. Alright, so now we'll hit send to printer now that we have all of our mats ready to go. So we hit that, and I'm going to leave bleed on because some of these I didn't put a shape around, so I want it to cut around the sticker itself. So that's all ready to go. It's going to my printer, and now I'm going to hit print. Oh, I need to put paper in first. So now we're just going to insert our paper like we would a normal printer, and it will start to print. Alright, so now we have our stickers ready to go. So now we're just going to put them on our sheet here. Alright, so for our stickers, I'm going to use the copy paper setting, and I've experimented with this a few times. And I'm going to do this with less pressure because even with the default pressure, some of them it cut through the backing. So I want to give it as like a sheet of stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do less pressure just so it cuts around the sticker itself and not through the mat. Alright, so now that our stickers are printed and we have our settings ready to go, we're just going to put it on our mat. And you guys are used to me having to deal with such a small space. We have like a teeny tiny apartment. I love it, but don't have a lot of space. So I'm just going to squeegee that down. And now I'm going to load my mat. Pull this out a little bit, and we'll hit cut. So first what it's going to do is it's going to find the little black, so these are called registration marks, so it's going to find those so it knows where to cut. So now it's going to detect our tool and then it will cut out our stickers. Alright, so we'll unload our mat. So now we have our stickers, and I don't want to pull these off because they're pretty perfect, but you can see it'll just pull off like a sticker. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a piece, or I'm going to take a pair of scissors rather, and I'm just going to cut along this black registration mark line. And so I can give it to them as a sheet or a couple sheets of stickers. So I think I'm just gonna cut it in half right here. Alright, so now we have our stickers. And what my plan is I'm going to, these are like these little envelopes I got from Target. They were $1. So I'm gonna personalize these in another tutorial, and then I'm gonna stuff them with like these fun stickers and of course a little bit of candy and the cards that I made in my tutorial before this. So now we have our stickers ready to go. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell. And happy crafting and happy Sunday.